Hey guys, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I'm Bharti. Knee pain is a common issue affecting people of all ages. Generally, imbalances in the muscles surrounding the knee put pressure on the kneecap, leading to knee pain. These muscles would be your quadriceps, your hamstrings, your inner and outer thighs, as well as your calf muscles. Today, we'll be doing yoga asanas that will help to strengthen and stretch these muscles to stabilize the knee joint. In addition to this, try also to maintain your weight in a healthy range, as excess weight can also put a lot of pressure on the knee joints. We'll need a few props for today's practice, like a couple of yoga blocks or thick books, a scarf or a yoga belt, as well as a thick blanket or towel for padding the knees. So once you're ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going.
Come to a standing position with your feet hip distance apart. Tuck your tailbone in and roll your shoulders back. Now place a yoga block or a thick book between your upper thighs. Ensure your feet are parallel to each other and distribute your weight equally on all the four corners of the feet. As you take a deep breath in, take both your arms up. As you exhale, start pushing your hips back to come to Utkat Asana or the chair pose. Here, keep your weight on your heels and the toes light. Make sure your knees do not go over your toes. To keep this in check, just glance down and you should be able to see all your toes. This is great for activating and strengthening the quadriceps. Then push into the ground and come back up. Now interlace your hands, look forward, and as you inhale, raise your heels up to come to Tadasana. Keep looking forward to focus, keep squeezing the yoga block, and keep breathing. Slowly come down. Let's do this once more. Inhale, take your arms up. Exhale, push your hips down to come to chair pose. The focus here should be on your alignment. As you get better, you can slowly start going deeper into the chair pose by pushing your hips down while not letting your knees go forward. Come back up, interlace your hands, and as you inhale, raise your heels. Stay for a breath and come down. You can repeat the sequence 3 to 5 times. From here, take a big step back with your left leg. Place the left foot at 45-degree angle. Bring your hands to your hips. Try to keep your hips squared and facing forward. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, start bending the front leg to come to Warrior 1 or Veerbhadrasana 1. The back leg should be straight with the knee aligned with the ankle. Ensure that your right knee is stacked over the right ankle. The right knee should not be falling inwards. To check this, when you glance down, you should be able to see the right big toe. If you're comfortable here, slowly take your arms up. Stay here for one more breath. As you build up strength, slowly you can try to go deeper into the pose by bringing the right thigh further down. Slowly come back up. Now adjust your feet so that the right foot points to the right side and the left foot points forward. The right foot should be in line with the inner arch of the left foot. Raise your hands to shoulder level and look towards the right. As you inhale, start extending your body to the right. As you exhale, bend from the hips and place your right hand on the right shin or the ankle. Here, you can also use a yoga block or a book to keep your hand on. If you're comfortable here, try to look up and gaze towards the left hand. Do not overextend the right knee. Activate the inner thighs and quads and keep a micro bend in the right knee. Keep breathing. Trikonasana is great for strengthening the quads, inner thighs and abs while stretching the waist, hips and the hamstrings. Bring the left hand down and slowly come back up. From here, again bring your hands to your shoulder level. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, bend the right knee to come to Warrior 2 or Veerbhadrasana 2. Look to the right. Again, make sure your right knee is not falling inwards and is stacked over the right ankle. The left leg should be straight. Keep breathing here. Warrior 2 helps in strengthening the outer gluteal muscles, inner thighs and quadriceps. As you develop more strength, you can go deeper into the pose. Slowly come back up. Now let's repeat these on the other side. Adjust your feet so that the left foot points to the left and the right foot is at the 45-degree angle. Bring your hands to your hips and square your hips forward. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, start bending the front leg to come to Veerbhadrasana 1. Keep breathing as you feel the quadriceps of the left thigh fire up. Ensure your left knee is not falling in. Slowly come back up. Adjust your feet to get ready for Trikonasana on the left side. Bring your arms to shoulder level. As you inhale, extend to the left. As you exhale, bend to the left to come to triangle pose. Look up towards the right hand, maintaining a micro bend in the left knee. Engage the quads and the inner thighs. Slowly come back up. Again, bring your hands to shoulder level. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, bend the left knee to come to Warrior 2. Take a few breaths here. Ensure the left knee is over the left ankle. Slowly come back up. You can repeat this set of 3 asanas 3 times on each side. Now let's get down on all fours. You can use a blanket or a folded yoga mat to pad your knees. Bring the right foot between the hands. Then slowly start pushing the hips forward to come into low lunge or Ashvasanchalanasana. You can keep your hands on the right knee or use a couple of yoga blocks to keep your torso upright. Your right knee should be stacked over the right ankle. If this is not the case, you can slide the left knee back. You should feel a nice stretch along the front of the left thigh. Avoid putting too much pressure on the left knee by keeping your torso and core engaged. Slowly push your hips back and switch sides. Bring the left foot forward between your hands. Then push the hips forward to feel a nice stretch in the right quads while keeping your core engaged. Keep breathing here in Ashvasanchalanasana. You should only stretch to the point where you feel comfortable and there should be no pain. Slowly release. Next, lie down on your back. Fold your knees and bring the soles of the feet on the ground. Keep the feet hip distance apart. Place one block between your thighs. Then tuck your tailbone in so that you close the gap between your lower back and the ground. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly start raising your hips up. Go as high as possible and keep pushing the inner thighs in to squeeze the block. This is Setu Bandhasana or the bridge pose. Slowly come down one vertebrae at a time. Let's do this once more. Inhale, and as you exhale, go up. Bring your attention to your inner thighs and hamstrings. This asana is great for strengthening these muscles. Slowly come back. You can repeat this 3 to 5 times. Then keep the yoga block aside and place your right ankle over the left knee. Grab hold of the left shin with both the hands and pull the left leg towards the chest. You should feel a nice stretch on the outside of the right hip and thigh. Stay here for a few breaths in the reclined pigeon pose. Keep the right foot flexed and keep pushing the right knee out. Slowly release. Then switch sides and repeat for the left side. Bring the left ankle over the right knee. Pull the right leg with both the hands. Breathe into the stretch you feel on the outer left thigh and hip. Slowly release. Finally, we'll do a stretch for the hamstrings and calves. Straighten both your legs. Bend your left knee and bring it close to the chest. Take a scarf or a belt and loop it around the left foot. Then hold both the ends of the belt and straighten the left leg to bring it at 90-degree angle to the floor. Keep the left foot flexed so that the toes are pointing towards your face and keep pulling the belt towards yourself. Feel the stretch at the back of the left leg. Try to keep the right leg straight with the toes pointing up towards the ceiling. Stay here for a couple of breaths. Then, keeping the belt in place, start lowering the left foot to the left side. Go till the point where you start feeling a stretch in the inner thighs. Keep the left foot flexed and stay for a breath. Slowly bring the leg back up and bring it down. Let's switch legs and repeat this for the other side. Loop the belt around the right foot. Then bring it up. Breathe into the stretch in your hamstrings and calves. Then take the right leg to the right side. Breathe into the stretch that you feel in the right inner thigh. Slowly come back up and bring the leg down. These were some simple yoga asanas to relieve knee pain. Regular practice should help you strengthen and stabilize the muscles around your knee joints. Hope you find them useful. If you continue to experience knee pain, do consult a doctor or a physiotherapist. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.